Getting free hosting for your WordPress website is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Chrome, and you have to write a word space in search bar. After it, you have to click on a word space website. Then you have to click on login button, and then click on Google to add your email here. After adding your email here, you have to enter the password. After it, click on change password button. I am having my account on this website, so it will not require password from me. Then you have to click on close, and again you have to click on close welcome button. And when a word space website will be opened, you have to click on hosting tools, and then click on domain manager. After it, you have to click on create free subdomain, and then you have to write anything here. It could be your name, and then you have to select its other part. After it, you have to click on create button. Your free domain will be created, and you can see here my disk space, traffic, domains, subdomains, MySQL, PostgreSQL, emails, and now you have to click on open website, which is under the status. When you click on it to check whether your domain is working. Yes, it is working. And then you have to click on hosting tools again and click on Zaki app installer. After it, you have to click on browse and install apps button and select WordPress. After it, you have to click on next button, and after it, you will get free hosting for your WordPress website. And it's done. So, in this way you can get free hosting for your WordPress website.